You're about to discover a unique stock trading method that's immune to corrections, crashes, recessions, and financial crises. With a traditional buy and hold, or buy and pray approach, you'd be hard-pressed to make a return in the short term. Only a few traders can beat the S&P by holding stocks alone, and for most of them it's a matter of luck. No matter how well you diversify between multiple stocks, once a significant market correction occurs, most stocks plunge at the same time and wipe out your accumulated profits in a flash. History repeats itself over and over again. With our method, and no additional effort, beating the S&P by 100% or more is achievable. You will make money, whether the market goes up or down. Hedge fund managers and banks have known about this strategy for decades, and this is how the big dogs built their wealth. Even if you'd known about their secret strategy, you wouldn't have had the tools to make it work. This is where our cutting-edge technology comes into its own. Our powerful software, running on high-end servers, does enormous work that you can benefit from by receiving clean trading signals. First, it finds all liquid stocks on major US exchanges, such as the NYSE, the NASDAQ, the Amex, as well as the Australian Stock Exchange. We focus mainly on strong companies with at least $80 million market capitalization. Then, it builds a list of rival companies. For example, Apple and Google are rivals or direct competitors. Imagine there are tens of thousands of pairs of competing companies. Well, maybe you can't imagine. As rival companies launch new products and publish their reports, their stock prices also compete. They move in a similar fashion. Signals generated by our software will enable you to profit from predictable changes in the difference between stock prices. The idea is to trade stocks in pairs, buying one stock and selling the rival stock short at the same time. When both stocks are falling, this doesn't hurt you because one stock recoups what the other stock loses. This is called hedging, hence the name hedge funds. Our software backtests all the pairs for you. So, what you get is a simple, user-friendly web interface that shows you a list of the top performing pairs. A high winning rate and low drawdown is the nature of this time-tested strategy. Your first job is to select the top performing pairs with consistently rising equity curves. View the total equity curve of your portfolio. The portfolio drawdown becomes very low because diversification dramatically reduces the level of risk. Trading signals are generated for your portfolio. Either check the members area for news signals once a day, or simply receive the signals in your mailbox. For example, a typical daily signal may look like this: buy Apple 6 shares, sell short Google 1 share. No need to hurry because the trade will last for several days. This gives you the freedom to execute the trade at whatever time of day you normally read your email. It's that simple. And it takes hardly any time, just a couple of minutes a month. With a reasonable portfolio of 10 pairs, you get an average of about 10 signals per month. Your only job is to execute simple market orders. From time to time, you'd refresh your portfolio with the top performing pairs at that particular time. It'll take you just 20 minutes to learn to use our web-based software, and you'll love it. Get access to this sophisticated but easy-to-use tool that will elevate your stock trading to new levels. Start by clicking on the link below the video. There's nothing to install and nothing to set up. The back-tested pairs are always prepared for you, up to date. You can start by selecting your own portfolio right after you join us. You can also check how much you would make if you reinvested all the profits. Here, you see, you would turn $10,000 into $20 million in 10 years. The 10-year history will give you the confidence to follow the strategy. It's not a black box system, so you know exactly what you're doing. You can display a detailed backtest chart of each pair with entry and exit arrows. If you're interested in all the details, the rules and the philosophy behind them are fully explained in our ebook. We designed this product to be affordable for all traders and suitable for beginners. There are 3 short but comprehensive videos that will guide you through all the steps. Join us today to benefit from technology originally developed for hedge fund traders and now available to guys like you. Are you prepared for the next market crash with a robust strategy? This is a train you don't want to miss. Click on the link below the video.